Hey guys, Bhavik here. So in this brand new video series, I'm going to talk about how to install Ubuntu as a guest operating system inside your host operating system. And now your host operating system can be either Windows or Mac. So currently I'm using Windows 11, which will be my host operating system, and I'm going to install Ubuntu Desktop inside my Windows. So that's what I'm going to show you. So this is a little bit different than what I showed earlier using WSL. So if you want to check out that series, I will put the video playlist link in the description below. So let's start this series. So since we are going to download since we are going to install Ubuntu, let's download Ubuntu. So go to Ubuntu, uh, go to get download, get Ubuntu here, download Ubuntu Desktop, and download the latest version, and download with LTS. So whichever version is with LTS is latest, download that one. LTS stands for long-term support, so you will get 5 years of security and maintenance, as you can see here. If you download without LTS, then you may get either 1 year or so support. So just be cautious, and I would suggest to download the one with LTS. So as you can see here, download button, you can download it. It's a 6 GB. So since it's a big download, I already downloaded it beforehand, as you can see here. Next thing is we are going to download VirtualBox. So you can download that using this, and don't worry, I'll put all the links to download in the description as well. So depending on your host system, you can choose either Windows or Mac. For me it's going to be Windows, so I'll click Windows and that will download. But I'm going to download using different mechanism. So you can just click it and then install, but I'm going to download using Winget package manager. So this is my Windows terminal, and it looks this because I have done some customization and all. So if you want to do this kind of stuff, there is another series I have already created, and I'll paste that link in the description below as well. So Winget is a package manager. It's similar to what we have package manager in Ubuntu called apt, or if you are using Mac, then you may be aware of Homebrew, like Brew package manager. So it's similar to this in Windows now. It's called Winget. So we can search for VirtualBox, and then you need to spell that correct to be able to find it. Yeah, and it found it. So then you can just install uh, using that ID, and you can put this ID as it is here. So what it will do is it will download and install. So usually when you click that download button, it will first download, then it will you have to double click and do next to install. So with this Winget you won't have to do that. You just hit yes once and it will be automatically installed. So this is called some theme in PowerShell, and it's called Oh-My-Posh, and all of those stuff I have discussed in that another video series that I'll paste. So it's going to get installed, and as you can see, successfully installed. So in that case we'll see icon on the desktop. If you don't see icon there, then you can just search for VirtualBox and search Windows search. So since you have icon, we can double click there. So this is what you will see. So to be able to do any kind of virtualization, you might need to enable virtualization features. So since I already installed WSL and other stuff, I already turn on those features when I created those series. But let me show how to get that. So go to your control panel. So search for that in search, open control panel, go to programs and features, and go to turn Windows features on or off on the side. So maybe if you are going to open control panel for the first time, you might see it like this. So in that case, go to program and check this turn Windows features on or off, and whatever you see related to hypervisor or Hyper-V or something, just turn that on. So here you can see Hyper-V, then virtual machine platform, hypervisor platform. Since Ubuntu will be our guest operating system on virtual machine, that is VirtualBox, we need to turn that on. So all those virtual machine or hypervisor things, turn that on. So I would advise three things: Hyper-V, then this one, virtual machine platform, Windows hypervisor platform, these three things. And if you did that subsystem thing, then you might have already done that. Then hit OK, and then you might need to restart the machine, but since I already had that on, I didn't need to do that now. So to be able to do that, you need to do this stuff. So this is VirtualBox. There is another thing called VMware, so you can check that as well. It is similar. So I think I forgot exactly which one it is out of these three. I don't remember company name. I think it's that VMware also, but let me just Google that and check. It's called VMware Workstation. Yeah, that one, Workstation. So you can use this instead of VirtualBox as well, but I think this is a paid service. I think one of the version is free, but another thing is paid. Go to products and go for Workstation, this one, Workstation Pro. And since this is paid service, I think so for Mac it's this, and for Windows it's this. So you might need to buy the subscription. I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to use virtual box itself, but this is alternative VMware Workstation that you should know of. So yeah, just like Firefox is my default browser, so that's what it was asking. So yeah, that is another thing, alternative. So we were here, so we got all the things. We got VirtualBox and we already downloaded Ubuntu beforehand here, so we are ready to install. So in the next video I'm going to show you the process. I'll just end this video here. So in summarizing this video, we just downloaded all the tools needed. First of all, Ubuntu, that will be our guest operating system. Virtual box, that is our software for virtualization. And third thing is we turn on some features related to virtualization, that is Hyper-V, virtual machine support and hypervisor support from control panel. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.